How's it, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Project Legacy. Figure this, figure that. The Don's Figure Chat. This is just another quick repose video. All I've done is I've changed the head sculpt so you can see the Tom Holland head sculpt there. It is fantastic in person. Aiden, this is another one for you, Boet. Boet means brother in Afrikaans. I've twisted his torso a bit, bent his back a bit backwards, and yeah, just put his web slinging hands on. I've put his backpack on, which tightens up really nice under the arms. And yeah, look at that head sculpt. Look at it in all its glory. It's beautiful. There he is. And see, he was in that pose for about 2.5 hours. The one with the spider web in, the one before this. And look how the suits bounce back straight away. Straight away. And I had it quite stretched, eh? But yeah, beautiful, beautiful piece. Let me move back a bit so we can get in. There we go. And that's what greets me every day in my lounge. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. This is Tom Holland's Spider-Man. The 8th Spider-Man in a row. This is Spider-Man, here we go. Watch out for Spider-Man 9. Sorry, I'm getting a bit carried away. It's this angle, as you know, I'm disabled. And bugger me, but this angle kills me, man. And Mwati does nothing to help. He just stands there with a light. He just stands there.
What should I do?
Doesn't massage my spine, doesn't do nothing. Okay, enough of the jokes. Right, with that, I'll leave you. It was just to show Aiden and the rest of you what the head sculpt looked like. I don't know if you can see. It's got the little neck piece added, so it looks like it's under the suit, but you can't really see it here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful figure. And with that said, I'll leave you with peace out from the Don.